Well, I retired about 2 years. So now it's the time where we can do all the additional time that we really want to spoil it.
I get all kinds of high-end stuff. Things I buy at Saks or Warren Hills.
Because I go through Doobly, then I get an extra 7%. At the end of the year, all this money comes back.
Oh, and he loves his stuff so cheap.
Well, that's 7%. It's giving us an extra trip this year.
Yes, listen, all he is interested in is cashback. That's all this is. I love used bid auctions. They are so much fun. I get all kinds of high-end merchandise.